Welcome to Simple Lifestyle channel. Please subscribe to help me grow this channel. Epidermis, the largest and the most noticeable part of the human body, is the external representation of everything that goes on inside the body. In order to keep this external organ healthy and glowing, people usually follow the practice of applying moisturizers and other skincare products. However, many tend to miss the point that the key to keeping this vital organ healthy lies within nutritious dietary habits, apart from external care and repair. 1. Certified organic tomato paste. Contains lycopene that protects skin from sun damage and helps to prevent signs of aging. While lycopene, an antioxidant carotenoid, can be sourced from several other fruits like watermelon, guava, and grapefruit, the most efficient way to get healthy skin nutrient is tomato paste made from organic tomatoes. This paste would contain 10 times more lycopene than ripe red tomatoes and is widely recognized as the best food source of this powerful antioxidant. 2. Green tea. Powdered green tea contains antioxidants and is perfect for hydration. Green tea being the most ubiquitous choice of healthy drinks across the globe, it is known for its properties that protects against sun damage and skin cancer. Its powerful antioxidants also slow the onset of visible aging by inhibiting the enzymes responsible for age-related weakening of skin structure. However, it is important to note that powdered green tea is revered as most beneficial with its higher concentration of vitamins and antioxidants. 3. Peppers. Sweet bell contains vitamin C and hydrates skin. The colorful bell peppers commonly seen with vegetable vendors are not only brightly colored and sweet, but also actually the most concentrated source of vitamin C in the plant kingdom. As a matter of fact, just 1 ounce of raw sweet yellow bell peppers contains over 50 mg (85% DV) of all natural vitamin C. Similarly, red and green sweet bell pepper contains around 35.8 and 22.5 mg respectively. Fun fact: orange, which is considered to be high on vitamin C, contains only 12.6 mg per ounce. Vitamin C is crucial for repair and growth of healthy tissues throughout the human body, including regeneration of skin cells. It also boasts of collagen production, provides antioxidant protection, and also helps to reverse sun damage. 4. Walnuts contains omega-3 fatty acids. Walnuts are perfect for vegetarians and for those who are not big fish fans and still wish to add omega-3 fatty acids to their diet. Walnuts are a rich source of omega-3s, which contributes to shiny hair and makes skin smoother and younger looking. 5. Beans. High protein content beans can go a long way in building better skin. Source of high protein content, legumes help in repairing cells that have suffered free radical damage. During digestion, protein breaks down into amino acids, the building blocks of cells. This is the acid that helps to speed the repair and regeneration of skin cells and collagen. 6. Eggs. High protein content. We suggest cracking some eggs open for that healthy desirable skin, as protein helps repair cells that suffered free radical damage. Eggs that are not only high in protein content but also contain biotin, an essential vitamin that protects against dry skin. 7. Pure mineral water. Hydration and trace minerals. The importance of water for good skin is known to all. Therefore, although it is technically not food, in fact less than green tea, it had to be added to the list. However, people who have access to well water at home, their tap water is perfect for their skin. These are few superfoods that can contribute in achieving that healthy glowing skin that one always wishes for. However, one must make allowance for the fact that simply eating these things might not yield best results. Proper diet, lifestyle habits, heavy drinking and smoking issues also impact skin a great deal. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe and hit notification bell for more video.